Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka National People's Party hapok ka jingalam jo National President Konrad Kongkol Sangma kapala job hado 800 riungon ki MLA haga election syakiyang dor Bharat Thaw an ke Jylla hakalai tarik uleber arja afulai lemba ki MLA jong ka BJP kilai kendo yulat ke Jylla uphagu Chauhan bankam Thaw Sorkar hakani ke kenti shwa kani ki MLA ke NPP kilai kendo lang hiyang sa jong Konrad Sangma panjet yo Konrad Sangma kum parliamentary party leader jong ka party Hakajin kendo yulat ke Jylla Konrad Sangma ul IT CT en okam kum menteri rangba shwa ban Thaw yang dak Sorkar ka bathamai
Thank you.
Meeting of all the newly elected NPP MLAs. Just now we had a meeting and we decided and we have also elected Shri Konrad Sangma, our Chief Minister, as the PP leader of the NPP. Okay? That is the decision we taken this morning. And the rest, please, our Chief Minister will detail all of it.
Of course, our NPP MLAs are on their way because they are all election results got over last night. So till they are formally here, of course, on the phone we have spoken to everybody, and we are going to proceed as a party. And of course, BJP has given its formal support to us, but we are going to meet the Honorable Governor, requesting him to call us and invite the National People's Party to form the government. And in the meantime, as I said, the BJP and other political parties have already extended their support, and those details are still with us. We have been communicated that the Honorable Home Minister and the Honorable maybe even the Honorable Prime Minister would like to attend the swearing in, and therefore we are waiting for confirmation from the Honorable Prime Minister's office. So if he will be attending the swearing in, then we'll have to wait for the dates according to the... No, we are asking the governor to invite the National People's Party, being the single largest party, to form the government. And as I said, we have already got support from different political parties, and that we will let you know.
How many MLAs?
I'll let you know.
Any Congress candidates?
As I said, those details we cannot give it right now. We don't want to give all the details right now. But just want to tell you that we have sufficient.
What would be the name of the coalition?
We'll sit down. We'll sit down and discuss.
Will it be MDA?
Well, we have to sit with the partners. Today we just had the meeting only with our NPP mainly, and of course our independent from Bakmara is also here already.
Yeah,
and BJP. So right now we are 29. 29 means as a party from different independent and the political party. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. So we don't want to give all the details. Just wait and watch. So we'll have some.
Sir, do you have 32 number right now standing with you?
Absolutely, more than that. Yeah, the violence. In fact, it's very unfortunate. It shouldn't have happened. We understand the sentiments, of course, are there. People are very emotional at this point in time. So a lot of violence took place in different locations, but things are as of now under control. And I would like to urge all the people of all political parties that the election is done. We have finished the democratic process, and violence is not the way. So I would appeal to the people also and the political parties not to get into any kind of violence. No, I mean there's nothing. We have worked committedly for the people in the last 5 years, and people have given us another opportunity to move forward.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
We have to go to the governor.
Thank you.